All right, so today we're going to focus on the question, hypothesis, and research pieces of your lab report. Once your full school heading is completed, you can click enter and it will bring you to a new line on your document. You'll have to go back to the word align and make sure that you are left align. And you can put one more enter space. Then, using cap locks, you're going to write the word question, which, if we look at it already, has already been bolded and underlined for me, because that's what I was currently doing when I clicked enter with the title of the lab, which is fine. That's what we want. But now if I continue to type anything, it's going to be bolded and underlined. So I don't want that for my actual question. So I'm going to unbold and ununderline, or Control B and Control U. And now I can write the question of my lab. It could be, how does transpiration affect the amount of water evaporated in warm and cold areas? Right? Whatever the question is that you are trying to answer, it needs to make sense. Now here, is it that how transpiration affects, or maybe it's the temperature that I'm talking about? So instead of how does transpiration, how does temperature affect the amount of water transpired in warm and cold areas? And we can see how those warm and cold areas are going to affect how much water gets transpired through transpiration. Once you've typed your question, whether it's something I've given you to write or you've created it yourself, you are going to click enter and enter one more time. And then you're going to create the next heading for your report.